Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to create and verify an Exness account, an Exness trading account within few minutes, 7 minutes or less. All right, so on Exness you can have both an mt4 or an mt5 account depending on which one you prefer. All right, so to get to this point, you use the link that I will drop on the description below, just below this video. So you can just click on it and it just takes you straight to this page where I am. All right, so if you don't have an existing Exness account before now, just click on register, just as I have done. So first of all, you just put in your country of origin. Let me quickly get that, and then you put your email address. Whatever email that you use is fine. Give me a moment. So I've just put that right here, and then you can put your password. Now for the case of the password, ensure that you have at least 8 to 15 characters. You have at least one uppercase and one lowercase. By that they mean one capital letter and one small letter, right? And then you also make sure that it has at least one number, and then lastly make sure that it has at least one special character. So I've already figured out the password I'm going to use before now, so I'm just going to be pasting that here and showing it to you. So you can see that the password I put met all criteria. That is why those things that were red, they have all turned green. All right, so once you are done, just click on continue. All right, just click on continue, wait for you to load, and it takes you straight to the next page. So that is how to create an Exness account. All right, then let's go inside of the Exness account and do other things. So that's how to create an Exness account. Now let's move over to how to verify your Exness account. At this point, I would like you to give this video a like, click on the subscribe button, and also turn on post notification on this video so that you would get notified. You'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop any informative video as this one. So let's continue. So right here, whenever you want to sign into your Exness account, all right, you can also click on the same link that you used to set the account up, the link in the description of this particular video. All right, so just click on sign in. All right, you remember the last time what we did was we created an account, but this time we're not creating an account because we already have one. We're just going to be signing in to our existing Exness account that we have already created. So let me quickly do that. And password. All right, as soon as you are done, just click on continue. And it logs you in. All right, so once you get to this point, this is an account that I already have. So once you get to this point, just look at the top left corner of your device. You're going to find 3 small lines at the top left corner right here. On it takes you to this point, right? It takes you to this point. So you're going to see my account, deposit, withdrawal, blah blah blah. And then when you come down, you're going to find the settings icon right here. You're going to find the settings icon right here. Just click on it. You're going to see profile. You're going to see security settings, trading terminals, trading conditions, and so on. All right, just simply start with your profile. All right, start with your profile. You can see this account has undergone the 2-step verification. So first things first, come to this place down below. click on personal details, right? In your case, it will not be showing confirmed because you have not confirmed. But what you're going to be asked for, they're just simple details that you can provide. Your personal details, your email address, your phone number, and your name. All right, you can like as you can see mine. So what this simply means is that you may be required to go back to the email that you used, open your email, and then copy the verification code that you would receive. All right, once you confirm the verification code, the personal details will be confirmed, and that is just it. It doesn't take long, just your email address and a phone number, right, that can be used to contact you if there's a need for that. All right, and then after you have done that, just move over to your identity verification, where you will be asked to input any form of identification, whether it is a card or a slip. So I am Nigerian. If you are a Nigerian, you can use your NIN, you can use your driver license, you can also use your international passport. All of these three documents show your face, show your ID numbers, and I think it also shows your residential address also. So whenever you are trying to upload that document, please ensure that the four corners of that document is showing perfectly in the photo that you will be taking. Okay, and also ensure that your face is not blurry, otherwise Exness may reject that form of identification. NIN works, driver license works, international passport works. In your own country it may be different, but whatever form of identification that your government approves of can be used on Exness. All right, so all you have to do is just to take a photo of it, take a clear photo of it with all the four corners of the document showing perfectly, and it will be accepted in no time. You would also receive a confirmation by Exness telling you that they have accepted your form of identification. And then lastly, you go to verify residential address. This is just, they want to know where you stay, and that is basically it. As long as you have done all of these three, you are good to go. The essence of doing this verification is just so that you won't be restricted to do certain things on Exness. All right, so we've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions or any comments, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. You can give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop this type of informative content. See you in my next video.